Hello guys, welcome to Cooltech GB. Today I'm glad to be showing you the new website that I have discovered that pay you 100 to 200 300 as long as you can be able to write an article and post it. They'll pay you 100, 200 and 300 dollars every day. So the app we are going to be talking about today is the website we are going to be talking about today is Paid for Article. Paid for Article pay you for writing an article and you start making money from that article. So all you need to do is to register. You just have to come to the register panel here and click register. Then you have to fill all your information, your name, your username, your email, your password, and confirm password. So all you have to do is to fill all the details. Once you fill all these details, then you click on register. Once you are registered, it will take you to a panel. So it will take you to a dashboard like this one. So please, if you do love this video, please subscribe, click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post my new video, and also you click on the like button and drop a comment if you do like this video. And so all you have to do here is to come to the ad article. This app has been running for years now and it is legit. I have so many people who has already been using it, and also they have been making money from this website. So all you have to do is to click add article. Once you click on add article, you have to put your title. When they come to categories, you have to click on if you want to work on tech, write about tech, science, sport, business, lifestyle, or health. So depending on part you love working on, so you just have to write up the article here, blah blah blah. You can just click on tech, click on title, good living, something like that. I don't know. Everybody love something that they know it do best, so you can just write what you do best here, and write a summary about what you want to talk about, and write what it is you want to write, all of it. I don't know, solely you who know what you want to write. So this particular website, they pay you for referring people to the program. So the referral program is a great way to spread the word of this great service and to earn even more money with your article. So referring friends and receiving 20% of their referrals for life. So that's cool, man. That's cool. So you just have to copy your referral code here. Just have to copy it. As you can see there, you take it to wherever you want to post it. Whenever anybody sign up and start posting article, and once the person get paid, you get paid too. So when it comes to the withdraw part, they pay with different method, and you can withdraw your money in different ways. So let me show you how this works, man. So all you have to do is to scroll down. You can also add your social media network, Facebook, Twitter, all those, etc, etc. So when it comes to the withdrawal method, you can use PayPal, Skrill, Paytm, Bitcoin, all of them, they are all there. So all these are the method you can use to make your withdrawals. So this site is legit. They do pay you for writing an article. I hope you guys do love this video. If you do love this video, please subscribe, click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post my new video, so you can learn more. And I will be also telling you more about this website on my next video. So peace out, guys.